Hello, thanks for tuning in to our September 2019 newsletter video. I'm Zach Yelton, your Director of Premium Services for Coastal Shores Landscape. We are coming through the end part of the summer now. We have seen our landscapes go through a lot of stress with this heat and humidity recently, but I think we're positioning you for a good transition into the fall, and we're all looking forward to some cooler temperatures. With kids now back in school and fall programs starting back up, we all tend to get a little busy, but there's an excitement in the air to get into that cooler part of the year and enjoy some of that weather. Meanwhile here, we are working very hard to protect your landscapes and position them to make that transition. One way we have done that, as you heard last month in our video, is we put down our late summer fertilizer. You're going to see, if you scroll further down into this newsletter, you can read a little bit more about that. There are some really great details about what kind of fertilizer we use. I think I mentioned last time that we've got a special formulation that has been custom blend for us, for our landscapes. It's a really great product, and if you've had a chance to see your yard or notice your grass over the last 2 to 3 weeks, you've noticed a really great response in that fertilizer. We can too. We see it. The yards are really strong and green right now, so we're very happy with that product, and I hope you are too. If you have any questions about it, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to give you some more detail on that. With the summer though, at this time of the year, we start to see a lot of stress in the landscape. The plants, in some cases the grass will show it, and all that's just due to the really long dog days of summer where this heat and humidity have taken a toll. This is the time of year where we see a lot of insects really get moving, and boy, we are seeing a lot of that now. We've treated several yards just this week for mole crickets, and mole crickets, if you've seen our videos on that in the past, to educate you on that, they are very destructive, as you know. We are prepared to identify that and treat that. Our teams know what to look for out there, and even in some cases our teams have identified that successfully, and we went out and treated it within 48 hours, and we got the kill. So if you have any concerns that your yard may be affected by mole crickets, please don't hesitate to let us know. The other thing that you'll see this time of year is fall armyworms. It's a little caterpillar that will hatch out and start to eat your grass that way. They're really easy to kill, but again, it requires a separate insecticide treatment to do that. So we're actively looking for those things, and we'll bring it to your attention if we see it. But again, don't hesitate to reach out if you're concerned. The last thing I'll mention is we are getting ready to, we're gearing up for fall pre-emergent. Fall pre-emergent is something that is not included in the scope of our maintenance agreements, but in some yards we do highly suggest that you get that. So we're going to put in fall pre-emergent out will help prevent weeds like Poa Anna, which is annual bluegrass, chickweed, clover, some of those things that you see germinate when the temperatures cool down. So we're looking to put that out here this time of year. The application would be timed somewhere around the 1st of October. So over the course of this month, be on the lookout for a special request on that. If you want to sign up, or if you have more questions about it, let us know, but we will be reaching out to you to see if you are interested in receiving that product and application for your lawn. Again, we're so grateful to have the opportunity to work with you all, your wonderful customers. We continue to grow a very strong team here and do a lot of team building things inside and outside of work, and we're just having a lot of fun right now. So thanks again for watching. Please contact us if you have any questions or need to do a site walkthrough with me. Have a great September.